Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Most repeated 1000 MCQ series, part number 30. Question number 801. Who is the author of Daughter of Destiny and Autobiography? Benazir Bhutto, Anam Jahangir, Miss Liaquat Ali Khan. The correct answer, Benazir Bhutto. The famous book Daughter of Destiny is an autobiography which is written by Benazir Bhutto. Chenab formula was presented by Pervez Musharraf, Sardar Abdul Qayyum, Liaquat Ali Khan. The correct answer, Sardar Abdul Qayyum. Chenab formula was presented by Sardar Abdul Qayyum. Chenab formula based on India-Pakistan Kashmir dispute, Gwadar dry port base issue, Iran port. The correct answer, India-Pakistan Kashmir dispute. Chenab formula discuss the India-Pakistan Kashmir dispute and resolve by a suggestion or a recommendation. Who invented the refrigerator? The correct answer, Fred W. Wolf invented the refrigerator. 1 ounce is equal to 28.34, 25, 23. The correct answer, 28.34 gram is equal to 1 ounce. Who was Pride and Prejudice written by? Stanley Walpole, Jane Austen, William Shakespeare. The correct answer, Jane Austen. Pride and Prejudice novel was written by Jane Austen. Who is the founder of Chinese Communist Party? Chen Duzik and Li Dezhou is the founder of Chinese Communist Party. India Wins Freedom was written by. The correct answer, Abdul Kalam Azad. India Wins Freedom was written by Abdul Kalam Azad. History of Freedom was written by I.H. Qureshi. A short history or a history of freedom movement was written by I.H. Qureshi. Bostan, famous book was written by Imtiaz Ali Taj, Sadi Shirazi, Altaf Hussain Hali. The correct answer, Sadi Shirazi. Bostan was written by Sadi Shirazi. Discover of Pakistan book is written by Maulana Zafar Ali Khan, Abdul Hussain, Abdul Aziz. The correct answer, Abdul Aziz. Discover of Pakistan book is written by Abdul Aziz. In which language Communist Manifesto was written? Chinese, Japanese, German. The correct answer, German. Very important question. In which language Communist Manifesto was written? International Civil Aviation headquarters is located as German, Montreal, Spain. The correct answer, Montreal. The first woman Prime Minister of Britain. The correct answer, Margaret Thatcher is the first woman Prime Minister. The important for normal vision, the immune system, reproduction and growth and development. The correct answer, vitamin A. Vitamin A is essential for normal vision. Atacama Desert found in area located in. The correct answer, South America. 1 billion is equal to, very important question, 1 billion is equal to 100 crore. Largest fort of Pakistan, very important question. Largest fort of Pakistan, Shahi Kila Lahore, Rani Kot Fort, Rohtas Fort, none. The correct answer, Rani Kot Fort. Largest fort by area wise is Rani Kot Fort. Old name of Faisal Abad. The correct answer, Lailpur. टाइम ऑफ पाकिस्तान एंथनम, पाकिस्तान कौमी तराने का टाइम कितना है? द करेक्ट आंसर, 80 सेकेंड. हु इज DGISI 2023? द करेक्ट आंसर, नदीम अंजम वाज DGISI. Who official religion of China Communist Party? The correct answer, atheist. Official religion of China Communist Party, atheist. Which is the smallest bird of world? Very famous and important question. The smallest bird of world is the bee hummingbird. Hummingbird is smallest bird of world. National motto of Pakistan is faith, unity, discipline. Islam is our way of life. Say no to corruption. None. The correct answer, faith, unity, discipline is the national anthem and national motto of Pakistan. Who won the Men's Hockey World Cup 2023? The correct answer, Germany won the Women Men's Hockey World Cup 2023. Thank you for watching my video. If you find any point which highlighted, kindly mention in comments. I will describe in detail, or yeah, the area which is weak in your strength in general knowledge you mention.